The future of work no longer involves manual clicks. The Claw series, AccountingClaw, FinanceClaw, and LegalClaw, demonstrate how agentic work is becoming a reality. AccountingClaw and LegalClaw are currently available to the public with 2 installation options: cloud digital workers and desktop digital workers. Today we will install AccountingClaw in the Hermes Agent desktop app, a tool similar to Codex or Claude Code. I have already activated AccountingClaw. You can request an activation code on CPAAutomation.ai. In Hermes Agent, I can view installed skills purpose-built for accounting. Notice that these skills have a learned label. This is because they come packaged with AccountingClaw. The Universal Document Analysis skill teaches AccountingClaw to operate document analysis through CPA automation. The CPA automation connector is what gives AccountingClaw permission to securely connect to your CPA automation account. A document workflow usually starts in one system and ends in another. Here, 5 June AP documents have arrived in an Amazon S3 intake folder. With one request, AccountingClaw will bring them into CPA automation, run universal document analysis, and return a clean result file to S3, without manually downloading or uploading the documents. I've already created a reusable template titled AP Invoice Intake that lays out the fields we need to extract, along with their data types and special requirements. Amazon S3 is connected with secure credentials. The connection is available to AccountingClaw through CPA Automation's Integration Gateway, which now offers over 1,000 integrations. I don't need to name specific buttons to click or describe the transfer steps. This one prompt gives AccountingClaw the context it needs: the connected source, the extraction template, and the destination. AccountingClaw turns the outcome I described into an end-to-end workflow. It finds the source, creates the extraction job, expands the batch, counts the pages, applies the template, and shows me its exact steps. Because the Universal Document Analysis skill is a complete workflow, it continues without asking me to repeat myself. You no longer need to know how to navigate the CPA Automation Extraction Job interface. AccountingClaw can operate it on its own. With no second prompt, AccountingClaw collects the complete result set, writes the CSV, sends it through the connected S3 integration, and verifies the response. It reports the accounting summary, the destination, any exceptions, and a link back to the analysis. Notice that AccountingClaw calls out the missing purchase order instead of filling the gap with an invented value. The job is visible in Universal Document Analysis, just like one created in the web application. Documents are processed in batches behind the scenes. I can view the job here, while AccountingClaw watches the same job through the platform gateway. And here is the completed CSV in S3. It contains the document-level fields we reviewed in CPA Automation, ready for an AP workflow, a data warehouse, or another downstream process.